A very warm welcome of all the delegates in the IMCCRT 2020 conference. My topic for the presentation is chromogenic sensing potency of azo compounds for cyanide ion. This is a review. Uh, the topic is presented by Ms. Kanchan Ram Singh Damade, Assistant Professor at Arts, Commerce and Science College, Bodwad, District Jalgaon, Maharashtra, India. So, I am presenting my study on the review, which is mostly highlight the convenient detection of cyanides by using the azo-based probe, which have been reported in this current decade. So, as it is well known that cyanide is as one of the most poisonous substance for living organism. So therefore, most fluorogenic and chromogenic chemosensor has been reported. So which have been reported most simple, cheap and instant method to detect cyanide ion presented in simple as well as a complex matter. So therefore, chromogenic sensing of cyanide ion through naked eye detection have been developed since 2010 is presented in this review. In this review, we have also studied their spectroscopical data, their structural features and the sensing mechanism. So see, in the colorimetric anion sensing, the designing of chromogenic probe which have a high sensitivity and selectivity that could recognize analytes by the naked eye become a new challenge in a supramolecular chemistry. We can see if any azo based chemosensor is presented here and we add some analyte in that, then we will see the color change like this. We will see the color change like this, that is called as chromogenic change upon the addition of analyte. So we can see this change through naked eye, through even naked eye. So that's why this sensitive and selective recognition of any analyte and we can visualize it by naked eye, that become a very new challenge in a supramolecular chemistry. So all these studies presented in this review. As we know that cyanide has a high level of toxicity. Its toxicity directly affect the central nervous system and eventually death of the human being. So that's why it's hazardous. That's why having a such hazardous biochemical effect, it is still in use widely in different application, that is in electroplating, mining, metallurgies, etc. So detection of this highly toxic cyanide ion is very important in the field of research now. So in 2009, the researcher Lau et al. Worked on the cyanide ion sensing, which is made by azobenzene based colorimetric sensor. Upon the addition of cyanide ion, the original pale yellow solution of complex of S1 turn into red, which could be noted through naked eye. See, here the complex has yellow color. When it is get react with cyanide ion, it convert into red color. So this red color shows us that there is a presence of cyanide ion in particular substance. So this is a very good research by Lau in 2009 for sensing the cyanide ion. Then Isad et al. In 2010 presented a novel glucoconjugated azochemodosimeter based on azobenzophenone as an electrophilic receptor of cyanide ion, which one reacts selectively with cyanide by changing the solution color from colorless to yellow. Okay, so this is the sensor that on a react with cyanide ion in water medium, that is in aqueous medium, shows such type of spectral data, that is 455 nanometer change, and there is a color change from colorless to yellow. This is also a good research for detecting cyanide ion selectively. Then Adcock et al. In 2014 has also prepared a selective colorimetric chemosensor for cyanide ion. So it prepare a 3 tautomeric dyes. These are the 3 tautomeric dyes in which R is a hydrogen, then it is a isopropionic acid, and then it is some substitute of ketone group. Okay, so it is shown a variation in color and spectra on addition of cyanide ion. The detection limit of these 3 dyes were sufficiently low to detect concentration of cyanide in micromolar unit. Next, Hossein Tavalai in 2014 studied on EBT, eriochrome black tea, against the cyanide ion. The spectrometric data shown that UV absorbance peak at 555 nanometer, which decreased instantaneously with color change because of cyanide ion complexing with pi bond EBT. So this is also a most important application of EBT along with application in titration also. Okay, then the another azo based probe designed by Gargi Dhaka at 2015, who described the synthesis of a new simple anion receptor for cyanide along with acetate anion, fluoride anion, and hydrogen phosphate, which shown extreme change in color from colorless to dark yellow when 50 equivalent of cyanide ion, fluoride ion, acetate ion, and hydrogen phosphate ion was added. So this is the sensor which on addition with acetate ion, fluoride ion, and hydrogen phosphate ion along with cyanide ion shows a color change from colorless to dark yellow. This is also a very effective or multitasking chemosensor prepared by Gargi Dhaka in 2015. Then Augustina Eka Pristiani in 2017 has reported the new chemosensor which is synthesized from vanillin via Neue-Vinagel condensation, in which deprotonation occurs by cyanide ion followed by color changing from yellowish to red purple and shown bathochromic shift. So the cyanide ion, the sensor which is prepared by Neue-Vinagel condensation in presence of cyanide ion, they undergo deprotonation reaction and shows a color change from yellowish to red purple and gives a bathochromic shift. So here our conclusion is that this review account for the detection of cyanide ion, and in this review we have shown 14 azo based sensor. This section describes the design of chemosensor for cyanide ion, recognition condition, mechanism, and spectral changes on cyanide addition. Some of them are pH dependence also. So from this review it was concluded that azo based chemosensor proved to have better sensing moieties for the detection of cyanide ion in aqueous as well as in organic medium. So here is the study of 14 azo based chemosensor for detection of cyanide ion, which is a colorimetric or chromogenic, which can be seen in naked eye. So this is the very important area of supramolecular chemistry for detection of any analytes in a complex matter, and we hope that we will go forward in our research area for better sensing substance for detecting the hazardous analytes, hazardous anions in the chemical or biochemical environment or in our ecosystem. So thank you so much for patience hearing.